Hello everyone, you're very welcome to this simple introduction to Audacity, which is an audio recording open source that is freely available recording tool and editing tool. So to get a copy of Audacity, you pop into audacityteam.org and click on download and select the particular operating system you're using. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to select that. And I'm going to click and select the Audacity installer for Windows. So I'm going to give that a click. And then after a few moments, it'll begin to download. Once it downloads, I double click on it and then I can begin the installation process. And it's just a matter of clicking next, 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 next. I won't waste our time with the full process you have to go through. But I'll just say once you've installed it, you can open up Audacity and it comes up like this and it says if you need help, this help menu is available. Then I've got a recording environment and I've got the same buttons I'd have on a CD player or a tape recorder: pause, play, stop, rewind, fast forward, and record. So let's say I click record. The rain in Spain lies mainly in the plain. Let's say I just want that bit. And now let's stop. I can go back to the start. The rain in Spain lies mainly in the plain. Let's say I just want that bit. So I've got two tracks for the left ear and right ear. I can click on the bit of the text I want and select that just by holding down the mouse and pushing forward. So I just hold down the mouse and move forward, and then I've got the piece I want. And I've got little editing tools I can cut or copy or paste. This one actually says, whatever is white, trim the rest of it out. So now the video is the rain in Spain lies mainly just the bit we want. So we can save that and we can save it as a project, or we can export it and save it as a audio file. And we can give it track information, the name of the artist, the year, what type of audio it is, and save it. And then if we go in there, it'll have an audio file that just plays that bit. So Audacity is a neat little tool. It makes more sense the more you play with it. It has all kinds of options in terms of adding in special effects and sound effects, adding in background noise even, or a start or things like that into it, and the regular cut and paste and file and save as well. It's a really fine tool, I think, for recording simple audio files, and it does exactly what you need for a simple audio recording and editing tool, so I couldn't recommend it enough. But I would say the more practice you get at it, the more powerful it is for you. Thanks very much. I hope this was useful.